In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create questions from scratch using the Add Manually workflow. Review them in Preview and save them into your question bank. Start in Add Questions, then open the Add Manually tab. This workflow is designed for building new questions one at a time using guided templates. To begin, click Add Question. Next, choose the type of question you want to create from the list. You can choose from a range of supported question formats, including multiple choice, multiple response, true-false, short answer, open response, and more. For this overview, we'll use a standard question type. Once you select a type, the question editor opens. Here, enter the core question details, including the question text, points, and any answer content required for that question type. After completing the required fields, you can either save the question or use Save and Add Next to keep building your set more efficiently. This is a helpful way to create multiple questions in one continuous workflow. Once a question is saved, it appears in the preview area below. From there, you can review the result, reopen the question to edit it, remove it if needed, or continue adding more questions. This is also the point where you can add supporting media from the preview card, such as images, audio, video, or document links. In this workflow, media is added after the question has been created and saved, rather than fully inside the initial creation modal. As your question set grows, pause on Quick Check to review what has been added. Then use validation details to see whether anything needs attention before saving. This gives you a chance to catch blocking issues, quality warnings, or suggestions before moving forward. When everything looks ready, go to Where do these questions go? And choose Save to Question Bank. Then select whether you want to add the questions to an existing collection or create a new one. Complete the save step, and the platform will store your manually authored questions in the question bank. This gives you a clear workflow for building questions from scratch, reviewing them before finalizing, and saving them into a reusable collection for future editing, organization, and delivery. Over time, that makes the question bank your single source of truth for managing questions across creation, review, and delivery, putting you in control of how your questions are organized, reused, and shared.